If you ask me, TikTok has become a very, very large social media platform in just under 6 months. With 1.5 billion users of the app and 500 million users monthly, TikTok has exceeded expectations. Ever since TikTok bought out Musical.ly, it has definitely outperformed Musical.ly's analytics. Now when I say 1.5 billion users, I mean 1.5 billion people have signed up for the app TikTok. And 500 million users monthly mean 500 million people use the app every single month. Now these statistics are kind of outdated. I've only seen them in the last 2 months. I haven't seen any new statistics about the app, so I'm sure the statistics are a lot higher than I say they are. But with that being said, I have over 233,000 followers on TikTok at the time of this recording, which is just crazy to me. I teach people how to make money, I teach them personal finance and other businesses and side hustles. So if you guys aren't aware of my TikTok, I leave the link down in the description where you can find my TikTok and follow it. I post there almost daily. Every once in a while I have a hiccup and I don't post there for a couple days, but I highly recommend checking that out if you're looking for more side hustles. Without further ado, let's hop right into this whole TikTok thing and let me teach you how to make money off of it. My first and favorite way to make money on TikTok is by far affiliate marketing. Now with affiliate marketing and my TikTok account, I am teaching people how to make money on the internet as well as other ways that is just around them all the time and they just didn't notice it. So with affiliate marketing, when I teach someone how to make money with an app or with a website, I usually leave a code in the description or on the video itself so people can use it and in return make me money for me referring them to the website. Now so far TikTok does not have active links. They only allow active links with popular creators and verified creators on their platform. Hopefully in the near future they will integrate that into the app for everyone to be able to use that, and when that does happen, it is going to make it so much easier to make money off of TikTok. You will be able to link to a website or to your affiliate link and make money that way. So usually I stay away from linking something in the comments or in my bio because people, for them to use that link, they have to type in that link exactly into their web browser. And that's just too much work for people. People are not willing to do that. They would rather just go to the website and sign up themselves without using your referral link, which loses you money. So when I refer people to a website or an app, I'm looking for a code that I can use to refer someone because it's so much easier for someone to type in a code rather than the entire link with the website and the affiliate code. And because I am in the side hustle or business niche, almost everything that I talk about has an affiliate link. So every website that I talk about on TikTok, I'm able to find an affiliate code or an affiliate link where I can share with my following and in return make money off of that. It's not charging my following any money, it's just charging the major brand or the major company money for me to refer someone to their platform. Now the second way to make money is to transfer your audience from TikTok over to YouTube or Instagram. I just started a YouTube channel, as you can see. I was posting a lot of videos for January, that's why it looks like I have so many videos and that I've been at it for a while. I've only been on YouTube for a little bit over a month and a half. So I'm still working on building up to that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be able to get monetized by Google AdSense. Now Instagram is a different story. I haven't really promoted my Instagram on my TikTok profile yet. I'm really just letting people trickle over to my Instagram where I post there every once in a while. But once that Instagram gets built up, I will be able to add the slide up option on stories, which then I can do affiliate marketing on Instagram as well. I will also become an Instagram influencer and I can allow sponsorships or shout outs on my page and in return make money that way. That hasn't really been a #1 priority for me because right now I'm working on building up my YouTube following as well as building up my TikTok following as high as I can, so later on down the line I can start converting my followers to a monetary money. Another way to make money on TikTok, the third way, is going live. Now I used to go live a ton back when I was starting on TikTok when I had about 120,000 followers. Lately I haven't had the time to do it because I've just been so busy with my own business or this and other things like that. But going live, you can go live on TikTok and people can gift you or donate to you, and in return you may give them a shout out or something like that. And one coin on TikTok is worth 1 cent. So it's not much. TikTok also takes half, like many other platforms like YouTube and Twitch. So when you cash out $50, you're actually cashing out $25. And the minimum amount that you can cash out is $50. And a fun fact for all of you guys, $23 million has been spent on TikTok currency since 2018. So if you aren't thinking about going live on TikTok, you might want to think about it now, because all of that money is sitting there in TikTok waiting for people to go live so people can donate to them. The fourth way to make money on TikTok is sponsorships. And with my experience, I have had a lot of offers for people or brands to sponsor me on TikTok. I have only accepted one. I had offers all the way up to $1,600 for me to make a video just about their brand. I wasn't ready for it. I did not want to sell out my audience that way, and I was not ready to make a video pertaining to only one brand and not how to make money like my TikTok is about and what niche I am in. So with the clothing brand, they offered me $150 for me to wear a t-shirt in 2 or 3 of my live streams, which I did. We had a good time about it. I promoted the brand every once in a while. That wasn't even a part of the sponsorship. I just wanted to help out the brand as much as I can because they gave me $150 to wear a couple shirts on live streams. I haven't seen a ton of sponsorships on TikTok yet. I've only seen a couple with some popular creators. Now, when a popular creator makes a video pertaining to just the brand, it's going to get a lot less views because it's not going to stay on the For You page for that long, and it's only going to get about 12,000 views if you have 200,000 followers. People aren't going to like the video, and TikTok's algorithm is not going to promote it as much. Now, the fifth way to make money is contests. TikTok every once in a while will have a hashtag contest, and the latest one that I remember is Kool-Aid, hashtag Kool-Aid, and the creator that gets the most views using that hashtag wins, and the winner of the Kool-Aid one won $10,000. So you post a video, you use the hashtag Kool-Aid, and you can win $10,000 if that video gets the most views on the platform within the time period. I have never done it, and I don't feel like I will ever do it. It's nothing to do with what I post on TikTok. It's more for like dancers and singers and that type of audience who is willing to use that hashtag and maybe win the contest. The sixth and final way to make money on TikTok, which I have used and I know about it, is sending people to your particular website. I have a website, shplearn.com, where I sell 2 courses now. One is selling on eBay and how to sell on eBay, and the second one is how to grow your TikTok and how to make money off of it. And I go way more in depth than this YouTube video, so if you are interested, there will be a link down in the description where you can learn how to grow your TikTok and start making money off of it. And I love doing this because I love helping people out. It's a super cheap course because I just want to get as many people interested and educated from the information that I have to tell you about. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really learned something from this video. There are a ton of other ways to make money on TikTok, ones that I don't really know about and that I'm not educated about, so I did not put them in this video. TikTok is a growing platform, and if you are not on it yet, I highly recommend getting to it.